Welcome back to ITS 129. Let's get PHP and HTML working together. All right, so I have a couple files over here. Let's see what you can do with it. Yeah. So if I right button click on this guy and I want to try and open it, yeah. So maybe I'm gonna open it. This is what it looks like. But I should go ahead and save it. I'm gonna save the link as, and I'm gonna save it as this. I already got it before, so I'm just gonna do that, and then right button click and save link as, and then PHP, and then that's good. Yeah. So I have these two files over there. Yeah. And then let me go and get rid of all this stuff over here, and then get rid of all this stuff over here. Yeah. And then let's go see assignment 14. I already did that. And then again, what I want to do is I want to go and save it over here into the www folder. So I'm going to go ahead and open this guy. Let's go take a look at it. So it's just your standard HTML. Starts with an HTML tag at the top, on the bottom. A heading, I close the heading, is just a simple input customer data. Then in my body, the main thing that I'm doing over here is I'm doing a couple of things. I'm doing a form. So what this form does over here is it calls up, it says it's going to post, and I have this document called assignment 14 PHP. So I'm going to rename this assignment 14 HTML, right? So let's go ahead and see that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and this guy over here, I'm going to say file save as. And again, you got to put it into the www folder. And I'm going to say over here assignment 14, and I'm going to take off the HTML tag in front of it, right? And I save. Then I'm going to open my PHP one. I'm going to edit with that guy. Same thing now. I want to save as. And I'm going to save as 14. And then 14 over here. And there's a PHP for it. So now I got to make sure I put it in there as well. So if I look in that folder, again, I have my assignment 14. One's an HTML, one's a PHP. Now, let's go see if it works. So again, I'm going to just kind of pull up my, browser over here, and I'm going to type in localhost. And then I'm going to type in the name of my file, which was assignment 14.html. Yeah. So it's just a simple form doc. Yeah. And I put in a button over here to submit. So I'm just going to type in 22. And I'm going to say customer name Paul. Something like that, right? Now let's go see if it works. If it works, when I submit the button, it's going to call up the assignment 14 PHP file. And I'm going to submit it, right? So you see how it calls it up over here? And again, that's because in my code, what I'm doing is that once I post it, it's going to call up this PHP. Now, this is real important. You have to make sure you have the name of your PHP in there correctly spelled, yeah? And when I submit it, what it does is it saves me this thing called customer num, this thing called customer name, yeah? So when I bring up my PHP field, that's what it looks for. Customer num, customer name, saves it to this thing called $ customer num, $ customer name, and all the echo does is just kind of show it, right? Yeah, with a line break over here. You make it work, right? Let's see if you can make that part work, because it's real important that you do it with the next one.